To install the new Eccentric hub assembly, you want to make sure and do a few things. First, take your belt and wrap it around the pulley. The reason you're going to do this is that you need to make sure your belt tension is just right before you put the bolts in. So, I've got the belt on, and now as I spin this assembly, my belt will become tighter or looser. Once you have about a 1/4 inch of play, you can line the bolts up and put the new assembly in. Make sure and put the bolt facing the same direction as the old Eccentric hub assembly. Okay, there we go. So now I've got my bolt aligned, I can go ahead and tighten it. It might be hard to get in there with your pulley, so if you need to, you can always switch tools from a socket wrench to another open-ended 7/16 wrench, or an adjustable wrench if you don't have that. And that concludes the Eccentric hub assembly removal, belt adjustment, and installation.